How to add music to CapCut on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut. Now click on the option of New Project. Now open the video in which you want to add the music. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Hit towards this option of audio. With that you're gonna find different options as sounds, copyright, sound effects, extract and voiceover. You can use any of these options to add music on your video. I will be selecting sounds. At the top you will see the search box. Over there you can just type in the name of the song that you want to add in your video, or also you're gonna get tons of options over here. You can hit towards any of these sections. Just click on it, and with that you're gonna find tons of options. If you're interested in any of these songs, just click on it and then click on the plus icon. With that the music will be added to your video. By the same process you can use other options as well. So this is how you can easily add music on CapCut on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.